Earth-kind living refers to a sustainable lifestyle that emphasizes reduced environmental impact while prioritizing human health and well-being. This concept emerged in the early 21st century as the understanding of environmental degradation and its human consequences grew. The earliest practices of Earth-kind living can be traced back to the 1980s, when concerns about the depletion of natural resources and the rise of pollution began to gain significant traction. These early pioneers recognized the link between environmental degradation and human health issues such as respiratory problems and water pollution, leading them to advocate for more sustainable living practices. Earth-kind living as a formal movement gained momentum in the late 2000s as environmental scientists and policymakers increasingly emphasized the importance of reducing carbon emissions and promoting the use of renewable energy sources like solar and wind. One of the key milestones was the 2015 Paris Agreement, which set a goal of limiting global warming to below 2 degrees Celsius, above pre-industrial levels. This agreement underscored the necessity of transitioning to cleaner energy sources and highlighted the economic benefits of sustainable practices. Throughout the 2010s, key developments in technology, such as electric vehicles and smart home systems, further facilitated the transition to Earth-kind living. These innovations not only reduced carbon footprints, but also enhanced the comfort and efficiency of daily life. For instance, electric vehicle sales in the United States reached over 200,000 in 2020, representing a 44% increase from the previous year. Meanwhile, global solar installations grew by an average of 23% annually from 2015 to 2020. The measurable impacts of Earth-kind living have been significant, with countries like Germany experiencing a 43% reduction in greenhouse gas emissions between 1990 and 2018. Such achievements have led to positive health outcomes, including reductions in air pollution-related deaths. The economic benefits are also noteworthy. A 2018 study by the International Renewable Energy Agency estimated that renewable energy investments could create up to 28 million jobs worldwide by 2050, while also saving $1.30 trillion annually in health and environmental costs. Despite these benefits, Earth-kind living faces several challenges, particularly in ensuring equitable access to sustainable technologies and practices. Furthermore, the global transition towards Earth-kind living will require continuous innovation in areas such as agriculture, materials science, and urban planning to address emerging challenges. By 2050, it is projected that a global shift towards Earth-kind living could lead to further reductions in greenhouse gas emissions by 70%, with corresponding improvements in human health and environmental conditions. To optimize these efforts, ongoing investment in research and development, coupled with policy support and community engagement, will be crucial for achieving sustainable and equitable Earth-kind living for all.